Alright, so here's a detailed tutorial on how to use the Qwen AI chat or Qwen Chat AI. So it's either you're using it on your phone or maybe you have a personal laptop. You can actually access this and it's the same process. Do not mind that, okay, because I'm using a laptop and then no, it is the same process. Okay, the reason I'm using this laptop is so that we all can see everything without turning your phone front back and that kind of thing, but it's the same thing. So what I need you to do now is to just open your phone if you have two mobile phones, or if you can minimize your Facebook like this. How you're going to minimize your phone, that you just need to be hearing my voice and seeing part of your screen, so that you can just flow, or maybe if you just watch a particular part, just watch the video once and then you understand. Okay, after downloading the Qwen Chat AI, you have to sign up. Even if you are using the Google Chrome to access the Qwen Chat, you have to also sign up with your Google account. All right, you sign in, because if you don't sign in, you will not be able to access the video option. So once you sign in, you click on the new chat and then you click on the plus icon. I just want this video to be straight to the point. All right, so you can see this create video here. Because you want to create a video, you have to click on it. I think this is where most of us are getting confused, because on Grok AI, once you just open the app, you have to just add the image using the upload attachment and all of that. But now on Qwen Chat, you have to click on create video. It's the same thing on your mobile phone. You open your mobile phone, you click on the plus icon and you click on create video. All right, so you need to fix the resolution of the video. Are you creating a YouTube kind of video, which is 16:9 ratio or 16 to 9 ratio? Then we have the 9:16 ratio, we have the 4:3, we have the 3:4 1.1. Okay, so this is a TikTok reel and Facebook reel, YouTube short reel. So we are going to be using 19:16. So the output of your video depends on the ratio you chose at this point. So if you choose the 1.1, you don't expect to see a 9:16 ratio. All right, so you are going to click on that. You can tap it on your phone, it's the same thing. All right, so when you click on that, you need to add your image. So you are going to click on upload attachment. Once you click on that upload attachment, these are the images that I generated from Wix. So I have taught us how to generate consistent characters on my page. So in case you are needing private mentorship, the floor is open for you. Send me a message on WhatsApp and we'll pick it up from there. So these are the images. Let me show you the Wix. So that you can just see it. So this is the Wix. So these are the characters that I've been generating. You can see that they are very, very consistent. So let me just refresh our memory, because so many of us might have forgotten, or for new followers, you understand. So this is the app we use in creating consistent characters. I've also talked about creating consistent characters on Gemini AI, but this is the best to use. All right, so this is our first character. This is Kemi. So you can either choose, it generates two for me, so I can pick from any of them. And to download, you can click on this download button here. Once you click on it, you see it is downloading over there. So it generates two characters. You just have to look at it. Is this what you want? If you don't like it, you regenerate again. So you look at this. I don't like the bed that she's carrying on her hand, so I didn't download that one. All right, so then I generated the second main character, or the second character, which is Amara. So this is Amara. Let me show you Amara. So this is Amara right here. So I needed to create both Amara and Kemi at the same scene. So you can see we have Amara right here, and we have Kemi standing, which is not meant to be so. So this is one thing about AI. You might not really get the exact of what you want, but you have to keep generating until you get your output correctly. So even if AI is doing the work for you, you have to put in your best to make sure that Do you understand me? Okay, so at the end of the day, I got what I needed. So this is Kemi right here. Kemi should be the one that is being emotional, and Amara should be the one that is standing. Do you understand? So you can see at the end of the day, I was able to get my output correctly. So I was talking about how to get consistent characters. So this is exactly where you get your characters. You have to add them as a subject. So you click on this. I don't know if you can see this black arrow facing the left hand side. So you click on it. It's actually this is how it's going to appear, either you're using your phone or so. So this is how it's going to appear. You are going to click on this arrow and the box is going to open. So you can delete these characters by clicking on this. Then you add another by clicking on the plus sign. All right, so you click on the plus sign and you add your image. So you're just going to add them just like the same thing for this. If you want your scene, you want the style and all of that, if you need a private mentorship, you can come to my DM. So that's for creating your characters. Then we go back to Qwen Chat and you click on the plus sign to add your image. This video is getting over 6 minutes or so. So you click to add your image, you click on open, and that's your image loading right there. Then this is the part where you are going to paste in your script. So this is the part where you paste your prompt you have gotten from Chat GPT. All right, so you create you paste your prompt and then you click on this arrow. Once you click on that, boom, you have your image, you have your video generated for you in minutes. So let me show you a previous video that we generated. Let me show you. So this is the trial that I just did to confirm that this actually really works. Okay, so you can see this is the all right, so this is the first image that I used to create a scene. Let me show you, it's loading up. All right, so this is it. You just have to give it some time. It usually takes 10 to a minute, 10 minutes, 10 seconds to a minute, and this is what we have. All right, so this is what we have right here. Amara, do you ever feel like something is wrong? Okay, so after that, you keep on generating. It creates just 5 seconds, so you have to keep generating, and at the end of the day, you are going to take these clips to CapCut to merge all together. All right, so you have to merge all together. So any clip that you are not okay with, you can just go ahead to regenerate the clip.